Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Another addresser joined Imbewu, the one and only Zandile Nhlapo, to be Imbewu family. She will play the role of Nombi Kanyeza from Monday on 18 October 21. She will be a Fikile mother, but she will found by Botle and invite her to a Fikile party. I hope you'll accept this addresser with their warm hands. That is for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and show your feeling. How do you feel about this new actor or addresser? Therefore, thanks again.